We're back with our series With You today and the mounting economic toll of the coronavirus. Here in the U.S., brand new numbers just released by the Labor Department today show 6.6 million people filed unemployment claims last week. That adds up to 10% of the U.S. workforce now out of a job. NBC's senior business correspondent Stephanie Ruhle joins us with this. Stephanie, these numbers, what's your take on what you saw? More or less than what you expected?
The numbers are huge, Savannah, but they're not a surprise. Just think about it. We're now weeks and weeks into this. The United States has shut off the economy, right? The government said we all need to stay home. So it's not a surprise to see the numbers go up this much. What I would say is a surprise is that we keep hearing that the economy is going to snap right back when we just go back to work. When you see this many people filing for unemployment, this many businesses basically shutting down, this is not a snow day. We're not going to simply say, all right, a week from now, let's head back out there. When you see this many people now out of the workforce getting unemployment insurance, it's going to be a slow process to get them back in.
Yeah, and we talk about that unemployment, those claims and the numbers we're just seeing, but also, and you've been talking about this for weeks now, a lot of the systems have been down. It's hard to even file for unemployment. So could we see these numbers even go higher?
Absolutely. And I know this is frustrating and devastating for a lot of people across the country. People cannot get on the websites. They can't get their claims in. So without a doubt, there are thousands, possibly millions of people still frustrated because they can't get unemployment insurance yet, but they should know this. States across the board are staffing up. Many states are offering unemployment retroactively. So let's say you have been trying for a few weeks or you applied and you weren't eligible a few weeks ago because you were self-employed. Well, when they change the rules in the CARES Act, that means you are now eligible. And when you finally get through, and I hope you get through today, most likely it will be retroactive. So please keep trying. You are owed that money. The government wants to help you.
Well, that is good news. Let's turn to some of the questions people have sent in. This is our collaboration with Facebook. Here's a question from a viewer, Margaret, on Instagram. Let's roll it.
Good morning. I had a baby this year. How is the government accounting for stimulus payments?
Instagram, let's roll it.
Good morning. I had a baby this year. How is the government accounting for stimulus payments for children born in 2020?
Steph?
So first, we would absolutely want to congratulate Margaret. We're thrilled that she had a baby. Unfortunately, for this particular stimulus check, we're talking about the $1,200 people will be getting who make $75,000 or less. It won't apply to people who had a baby this year. However, next year, when she files her taxes, she will get that child tax credit for $500. I know it's and the government is trying to figure this out. I'm sure it wasn't designed this way, but the best way for them to get this money to the most amount of people is to use the tax filing system, so you've got to use 2019.
Okay, Eileen on Facebook asked us, is the stimulus check an advance on next year's refund? What happens if you owe money next year? Do you have to pay back the $1,200 you received?
Absolutely not. Not now, not ever. This $1,200, consider this income replacement. It's not a bonus, so you shouldn't go out there and do online shopping. This is for necessities. You will not have to pay it back. The government realizes that you are suddenly put in a crisis situation. Will not have to pay it back. The government realizes that you are suddenly put in a crisis situation. So when you get that money, spend it on what you need. But I promise you don't have to pay it back.
Okay, Monica on Instagram asks, what is the housing market going to look like after the coronavirus? After the coronavirus.
Listen, that's a really tough one to predict. Obviously, right now, so many people are staying home, but because interest rates are so low, we're seeing a huge surge in people who are looking to refinance, possibly get lower mortgage rates. But as far as online open houses are going, we're seeing a very big surge there. So for people who were already in the market, we are seeing in this stress time some prices go down in certain areas. And now you have more options to look at homes online. But as far as what is this going to look like on the other side, Savannah, we just don't know yet.
Okay, and let's get to Maxine on Facebook. She sent in a question.
Why don't the credit card companies lower their rates? People are going to be using their cards more because many people are finding themselves unemployed. With rates so high, though, they're going to be digging deeper financial problems for themselves.
Seems like a good point, Stephanie.
I hear
Why
you,
not?
Maxine, remember, it's a great question, but you remember, the government doesn't control these credit card companies. The FDIC has urged so many of them to work with their customers, and they are. So without a doubt, pick up the phone, call your specific credit card company. Our advice would be call the company you have the longest relationship with, that you probably have been paying on time the most with, and see if you can renegotiate. It's going to be on a case-by-case basis, but I can tell you across the board, JP Morgan, Citi, Bank America, TD, they are offering relief packages. Many are trying to help their customers, but there's not a federal mandate. The federal government doesn't control the credit card industry.
Okay. Well, Stephanie, thank you so much. Appreciate it.